The Snow Forest Night project is designed to help students build their skills with pastel drawing.
To get in the mood for drawing our own snowy forest by night, we listened to Susan Sarandon reading Robert Frost's poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. The link and the poem are in the description below.
When I was listening to the poem, I felt happy and cold. I felt happy because it's the first time I saw snow in 5 years. And then I felt cold because snow is falling and it's freezing outside.
Waiting for the first snow of the season when we did this project, the children were inspired by their own memories, feelings, imagination and wishes for a white winter.
I miss snow. That in December should be snow on streets.
The project introduces students to pastel drawing on dark coloured paper.
Whether it's chalk pastels or oil pastels, both work perfectly well with this. Pastels are ideal on dark paper, and in this winter snow scene, we might choose dark blue or black or brown. A simple method for experimenting with layers in pastel drawing is to start with the edge of the pastel and create some areas of darker colours, and then to start building up detail and texture with the edges or the point of the pastel in the lighter colours that you want to be dominant in the subject. So for instance here, maybe the texture of a tree and then areas of snow on top, and you notice that the pastel is still quite strong and bright, and you can also begin to blend the colours together.
I was shocked that on the dark papers, every color of pastels looks good.
So for my picture, I chose blue paper to make my snow look more like ice.
I also learned that the color of the paper that we choose to work on is very important because it made the colors just show differently, and for example, I chose black, so that made all of the contrasts really intense, I'd say.
I learned that on the dark paper, we can do anything we want and it will look beautiful.
What I learned during this project is to put 2 different colors of pastels on top of each other and mix them. And I used this technique to create this unusual color of the grass. I think it's nice.
And I learned that you have to trust the process and add many details so the drawing or the artwork will look great.
What I learned is that it's better to draw snow by drawing like in the circular motion and then just smudge a little bit, and it will be way better effect than just put plenty of the pastel on one place. And then actually there is a problem because I think it doesn't look that good.
And I know how to draw winter. And thank you. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click like and share it. If you want to see more short videos with art tips, art projects and lesson ideas, please subscribe to my channel, Rob the Art Teacher.